Like, this app has the potential to do a lot of really great things, I think. So that's where I want to go right now, which is, what were kind of your initial thoughts when you joined the app?
Initial thoughts. Okay, hold on. I have to go so far back in time because of all the rooms that I've hosted, like whether it's every single day or the fun rooms at night. Like I don't even know, like 3 days ago feels like 2 weeks ago
It does.
in the amount of rooms that you and I have hosted or I've been on my friends. So hold on. So first experience, I have two very distinct ones. One being my friend Jackie, who actually is trying to get back on. She was in one of the rooms I host, and I put her as a moderator, and she kind of like saw the beauty and like the kinds of discussions that we have and looking for authentic and genuine people on Clubhouse room, right? However, we both like got on the phone. We're like, should we start a room? And then I started the room and it had no topic. I didn't know that you couldn't change it to have a topic after. And we were like, what now? And I remember us having a conversation with like a producer and an activist who did documentaries, worked with Congress and all this stuff. I met Sylvester Long, who is both of our really good friends now.
Love
Um,
Sylvester.
he's a day one from the app. In fact, he was my accountability partner, like my first or second day, trying to get me to go to sleep at 4 a.m. And then the other experience, which is not so hot, was the millionaire, billionaire,
Mm-hmm.
gazillionaire, trillionaire rooms with people that were not my style. So I had to find the beauty of like finding friends in very tiny rooms. And then I saw like meeting people from across the world just jumping in the rooms was so like crazy cool. Me and Jackie, I mean, Jackie and I, like we thought it was cool, but we still were confused. And my second biggest memory was meeting Chris Cheng, who's the founder of Tech Talks, and that is the number three biggest club on Clubhouse right now, in a tech mixer. So it was really cool to see him like go through hundreds of people in the crowd just
Chris is
asking them.
dedicated.
Yeah, yeah, he was asking them what they do and like what they wanted to share about tech and whatnot. And his club is called Tech Talks, and my series of panel discussions I held in person with tech founders and VCs and accelerator programs is called CEO Tech Talks. So I told him about it, and he ended up saying like, I'll give you a follow, like reach out to me on LinkedIn. And we did. We had a Zoom, and now we're really good friends. So all of those memories combined are my first weekend on Clubhouse, which has a lot of highs, but a lot of memories and good friends I still have right now. So I'm happy that my experience was somewhat amazing.
That is amazing. I'm really glad to hear that, because I actually just checked our profiles, and if you check both of our profiles in the app, we both joined on the same day. I don't know if we might have crossed paths on that day, January 15th, that fateful day, but I don't know if we did. We definitely did soon after if it wasn't on that day. I don't remember either.